Bonjour and welcome to this session. This is an information related video. So sorry guys, I won't be able to teach you like Relatifs, sample and Composée because my exams are going on right now and I'm busy with them. But I found out 3 videos for you guys which you can refer to for Relatifs, sample and Composée. The links of the same are given to you in the description box. Please watch all the 3 videos or any of one out of them for your reference, right? And probably today or tomorrow you'll be getting the reading comprehension session along with letter writing and message writing, which will finish up your syllabus. Okay, everyone? So keep studying, don't take stress. French board exam is just 4 or 5 days away. And I know you all are going to come up with flying colors. You all are going to write in the comment section that yes, we could score 70 plus in our board exams. Okay, so stay healthy, stay happy, stay fit, and stay energetic, active pour son examen. Bonne chance. Merci.